Hi guys, today we will learn about AWS Lambda. In this video, we will cover what is AWS Lambda, what are its features and limitations. So let's move further and know what is AWS Lambda. It is a serverless compute service which is used to run developers' code and which comes under platform as a service model. Before moving further to Lambda function handler, let's create one demo Lambda function. So let's go to your Amazon console management and search for Lambda. Here we will create one function. I'll give function name as Lambda demo and select runtime as Java 8. We can further change this runtime if required. So let's create a function. Here function is created with the name Lambda demo runtime 8. We can change it if we required. And this is handler. Handler is basically a package name followed by handler class name. So what is Lambda handler class? So let's see what it is. Lambda handler class means Lambda function handler is basically a class which is created to handle Lambda requests and give responses. As we can see that handler class implements request handler with overridden method handle request. We can add any type of object as a request input and a response output. So let's move further and see what are the features of Lambda. It is a serverless, so we don't require to manage any servers for executing our code. Second one is Lambda executes its code when only it's required. Third is Lambda functions are stateless, which helps Lambda to scale automatically based on the rate of incoming request. Once if requests are high, then Lambda function automatically manages it. Charges on compute time required to run the code. No charges when code is not running. So charges are applied only when we are running our code. So if code is not working, no charges are applied. So let's move further to limitations of Lambda. First one is deployment package size. It means up to how much MB we can deploy our code on Lambda. If we are using direct upload, we can upload up to 10 to 50 MB. From here, we can select our code entry type. Upload direct zip or jar file or upload file from S3. If our file is greater than 10 MB, then we should upload it using S3. So we need to provide our file path in S3 bucket. We can upload up to 250 MB for unzip file including layers and 3 MB through console editor. Second limitation is it supports only few languages. If we click on runtime, we can see supporting languages of Lambda. Third is memory allocation. It is a memory available during execution time. Memory provided for Lambda is limited up to 3008 MB. Minimum is 128 MB and it increases by 64 MB size. Default memory is 512 MB, as we can see in these basic settings. So we can change it from the settings by clicking edit. So as we can see here, default is 512 MB. We can change it up to 128 MB and maximum is 3008 MB. Next limitation is timeout. Minimum timeout is 3 seconds. Timeout is a maximum amount of time allowed to run our Lambda function before stopping it. It means if time exists, Lambda will automatically terminate our code execution. And here, as we can see, minimum time is 3 seconds and maximum is 900 seconds or 15 minutes. So we can also change timeout from here. We can increase it, and we can say maximum is 15. We can also add environmental variables to our Lambda function in a key value pair. Here we can click on Edit, Add Environmental Variables, where we provide key and values, which we can access internally to our code, but their maximum limit is 4 KB. Next limitation is function layers. It is a zip archive that contains libraries or other dependencies, but we can add maximum 5 layers. Next is burst concurrency. It is a number of instances that serve requests at a given time. We can reach level between 500 to 3000, and it depends on a region. So burst concurrency for our Lambda account is 1000. And this burst concurrency depends on our region. So next is test events. For testing our Lambda function, we can also add some test events. So we can add it from here and then configure test event. Here we can add name of our test event and Lambda function input as a JSON or a normal string format. It depends on our request object. So let's create a dummy test event, create. So from here we can select our test event and then test it. But the limit for our test events are up to 10 only. We can add up to 10 events only. So that's it for today. Hope my video will be useful for you. I have also uploaded how to deploy Java code on AWS Lambda. Even if it's a mute version, you can check it out. Link is added to the description. Bye.